Hi, come this side, no?
Still, Dada, please, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Huh? You want me to stand up again?
Stand and do it. Then the boom. Can she stand and talk? Is that okay with you guys? जाएगा यार.
But their mics are here. I can't stand. Yeah, they'll be distant.
ऐश्वर्या, बहुत बधाई हो आपकी जन्मदिन की.
Thank you.
हमारी सबकी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ में नई खुशियों के लिए, नई उमंग के लिए. इस बार जन्मदिन पर क्या खास आज आपने देखी, इस बार आप शाम में
How sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
कैसा रहा आपका दिन?
Thank you. Firstly, I'd like to thank everybody for all your wishes. Personally, for singing so beautifully for me right now. Thank you. For messaging me. So many of you have sent your messages, you all have WhatsApped, and I've not been able to reply to everybody as yet, but thank you so much. And through you, members of the media, I'd like to thank all my well-wishers for all your good wishes and blessings for my birthday. मैं अपने आपके दर्शकों को और मेरे शुभचिंतकों को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं दिल से आप सभी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ आपकी शुभकामनाओं के लिए, आशीर्वाद के लिए और इतना सारा प्यार के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
आज का दिन कैसा बताइए, आपने नहीं बताया. आज आप शाम में मिले तो बहुत कुछ हो चुका होगा. आज खास दिन
नहीं,
आराध्या की गिफ्ट मिल चुका होगा.
Of course. Well, obviously I've spent my day with my family, with my loved ones, with my daughter and my husband. Abhishek is home after really long. You all have been meeting him every day, way more often than me, with all the publicity and promotion of his movie. So it's been nice. It's been a nice family day. And sorry. You're busy shooting a selfie. Okay. And last night, all my friends and family were home and they brought in my birthday, and it was a very long night and I haven't slept at all because early morning Aradhya wakes up and my schedule is on as every day, and so obviously I thought it's more it would be more lovely to meet you all nicely, relaxedly in the evening, and also get the opportunity to thank everybody for all the wishes and love that's been pouring in all day. सुबह तो anticipation में आके मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ. तो शाम को you know, it's really for just the wonderful experience all day. Thank you so much.
उम्र बढ़ रही है, वैसे वैसे आप में और ज़्यादा निखार आ रहा है.
अच्छा. My God, thank you. आप लोग भी बहुत ही मतलब आप लोगों का प्यार, सभी के शुभकामनाएं, सभी का दिल से इतना सारा प्यार मेरे तरफ. I mean, obviously, I'm in a very happy space. It's I'm blissed out. I think that really is all about it. It's all in the eyes of the beholder. So if you all are being sweet to me, thanks. But am I feeling really good? Yes, I'm in a very, very good space, and I think with each passing day, you just you find your calm in the hectic day. Like हाल ही में मैंने loves a director. I won't name him. Was asking for a meeting. We're in talks. So I've been trying to schedule in time for a more detailed narration. So that's when I made up this word. I said the hecticity of every day. I said I don't know if this word exists or not, but I'm going to use it very, very liberally. And that pretty much is what every day is like. But still within that, I think with each passing day, I'm getting better and better at finding my calm within all that, which I think reflects itself.
आप जनरली कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हैं बर्थडे को? मंदिर जाना या किस तरह से होता है क्या?
इट्स ऐसे कोई डिफाइंड रूटीन नहीं है. आप लोगों से ज़रूर मिलती हूँ. घर वालों के साथ वक्त बिताना मेरे लिए, परिवार के साथ, मेरे करीबी दोस्तों के साथ एक ही दिन है कि जो भी हो, जितने फ़ोन कॉल्स मैं ले पाऊँ, सभी से बात कर पाऊँ, सभी की शुभकामनाओं को रिसीव कर पाऊँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही मायना रखता है. और हर साल आप लोग मुझसे यही सुनते हैं क्योंकि यही मेरी हकीकत है.
डबल सेलिब्रेशन होगा, आपको बर्थडे भी है और हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ने बहुत अच्छा सक्सेस भी है और अभिषेक का काम जो है सबको,
और आज रात पार्टी भी है.
आपने कबड्डी भी सीखी है?
डबल ये मिला क्या गिफ्ट?
ओह,
बनने के बाद और फुटबॉल टीम के अच्छे करने के बाद चेन्नई काफी अच्छा कर रही है और कबड्डी के बाद.
जी, yeah. So it's a good day. 2014, 1st of November has been a wonderful day, and I think it's really sweet. Even Shah Rukh and Gauri decided to have their celebration party tonight. It's got so many meanings. I mean, it's also tomorrow Shah Rukh's birthday, and we all always joke with every passing year. I think it's like, you know, we have mine's on the 1st, is on the 2nd. So I think when they have had their film together and to throw their success party tonight is all in all reason for celebration. Abhishek has received such appreciation. I can't thank you all enough for all the love and appreciation coming his way. As his wife, I'm obviously very, very pleased for him, and very, very happy.
What was your reaction when you saw him shedding all his clothes for a scene?
I'm not even going to credit that with an answer. I'm sorry.
Your thoughts on turning 41?
Sorry?
Your thoughts on turning 41?
No thoughts. I just live each day for what it is, and these are not factors that I necessarily dwell on. And this has been my answer for years to come. I think even when I was asked the same at 21, it was pretty much the same. I think I'm very, very thankful to God for such a blessed life. I mean, you all have met me since what, 18, 19? From 19 till today, 41, to still be interacting with you all with this gusto, to be living a blessed life of family, work, friends, and growing experiences. That in itself speaks volumes, and I'm thankful to God.
Any wish that you have asked for?
I never do. I never go to temples and pray or ask for anything of God. And I've never been one to sit and work up wishes. I generously mean well for everybody. So those are the wishes I'd say I pray for everyone's happiness. But I've never been one to ask for anything. Yes. Oh yes. That is wonderful to discover with each passing year. Because I think last year we were here and I was saying it's all about the singing, and so last year was all about the singing. That continues with more and more clarity. So that's really sweet, where she sings with full aplomb. But having said that, she was already recognizing, like we say, between October and November, there are so many birthdays. So she recognizes more and more. And yeah, she did know it's my birthday, and there were all the flowers coming in advance. So, and she also knows her birthday is coming. So, of course, yesterday at one point when there was this huge bouquet of flowers, but she responds more excitedly to the bigger bouquet of balloons that came. So she was like, and whose birthday? And whose birthday? I was like, you tell me. So for a second, she looked at the balloon. She said, balloons for me, but it's Mama's birthday. So it was like really adorable. She recognized it. It's really sweet.